Hey! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE to LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this OnePlus. Start by accessing settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on System Settings, click on Keyboard and Input Method, Keyboard, and finally Theme. Over here you can scroll down and choose Show More. This way you can see all available themes. Now tap on the best one for you, Manage Keyboarders, by clicking on this switcher and tap on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background by clicking on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done, Manage Keyboarders thanks to this switcher and click on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!